Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create or make an arrow shape in your page on Squarespace without using a custom CSS. So let us get started. Head over to your page and on Squarespace and access the editing tool. So guys, there's one workaround here you may use. So what you want to do is click into your section here on your page and click into add block in the top left corner and select shape from that menu here. That is going to give you such a rectangle like this. So let me just resize it really quickly by clicking into its corner. So that is going to be the tail of our arrow. You can also change its color by clicking into that pencil icon here. And here under color, change its color to green, or you can go with a custom color. So let me go with that green color here. And that is going to be the first half of our arrow. After that, again, click into a section, click into add block here, select shape. And this time, guys, click into that pencil icon again, but here under shape, click into that arrow down icon and choose, for example, let me find that shape here, that diamond shape here. So what you want to do is select the diamond shape, adjust also its color so that it aligns with the color of your tail or arrow tail. Just like that, and last but not least, resize it and move it to over your rectangle here, just like that, so that both resemble an arrow basically. You can also resize it a bit so that it looks even more like an arrow, just like that. And last but not least, press and hold left shift on your keyboard and left click into your second element to move both of them. And that is going to look like an arrow pretty much, I'd say. So now you can use it instead of arrows you create with a custom CSS. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.